All right, give us an update.
So we have been working on the 666 a little bit. We're not able to keep working on it as quick as we'd hope, but we have made some progress here. We have one of the wheels removed. The goal is to get both wheels removed actually and go after the differential. The problem was we had the local tire company come down. They can't get between the frame and the rim to get the tire broke free, so we had to remove the entire tire assembly. We will take the brake drum off, probably end up putting the gear case back on it, and then let them get the tire off from there. You can see, if you want a size reference for how big the individual components are here, this would be the axle shaft to the left-hand side, whereas these are your planetary gears in here, and everything is big. It's built very, very heavy. The reason we're going after the differential is we were warned that internally it had a posi-locked rear end in it, so that it wouldn't spin just one wheel, and there was brass bushings in there that are notorious for failing. So that's what we're after in that process. We do have the drop box removed from the rear, the engine's off, the actual transmission is removed right now. It is over in our sister company. They have a technician working on that, going through it. I will point out, the owner's family that owned this before we did was down here a couple weeks ago, and they pointed out that it was pushed by a 8250 Terex crawler at the time, and I thought that was pretty cool, especially when you can still see the green paint from the Terex on the push blocks on the back. So that was just kind of a neat little part to me. As we walk around the front side here more, we are hoping to get after the rest of the bowl. Intentionally, we just have to get the rear axle taken apart first, and then we'll roll another axle underneath it and get it into the shop, the weld side. You can see right now we did send out the hydraulic cylinders to another party to reseal and rebuild the hydraulic cylinders. The lift cylinders, the eject cylinders, and the apron cylinder have all been taken off the unit and sent out at the moment.